This is my experimentation with Procion MX dyes on white cotton. You can see here my ingredients, safety, equipment, and just various things I need to mix the dye. I'm going to finish mixing the dye and then I will record how I fold the items and then how I dye them so I can repeat something I like later. I've had my clothing items soaking in soda ash solution, getting ready. Now I'm going over to my work table. Those are my two low immersion dye kind of palettes for my larger items. And then I've got my dye already mixed. That takes like a day, literally. I have over a dozen colors. That is the 2XL Juniors wife beater from Dharma. I'm thinking it'll shrink down to a regular lady's large. I'm going to do it in Raven Black. I will take short videos because I have no way to take long videos right now. More to come in the future. Thank you, phone, for finally focusing. Okay, so here I have the Dharma wife beater in Raven. I have some Dharma chili red, burgundy, and raspberry on the rayon men's bamboo socks. Those are going to be for Dad's Christmas, and the A line is for me. And we'll see how these turned out. That raspberry is a lot more purple than I was expecting, and I'm learning that you need to make a little bit more dye for the smaller batches. As you can see, I'm quickly running out of light. This is an extra large racer bag tiered skirt dress from Dharma, and I've used herbaceous, kingfisher, blueberry, peach, and plum port. Okay, you can see the spiral in blue on pillowcases with deep space, blueberry, royal blue, Wedgwood blue, and neutral gray. And these are repurposed cotton king size pillowcases. So on the left you can see my 3/4 sleeve shirt, in which I did a spiral for the main body, accordion for the sleeves, and I did a scrunch for the shoulder neck area. And then the colors I used were grape, orchid, mermaid's dream, herbaceous, and a special, this is not Wedgwood blue, this is actually Wedgwood blue, turquoise, royal blue, burgundy, and a little bit of deep space mixed together. And then I also use neutral gray. So this has a special blue mix, blue-green-ish, purple. It's purple. It's a purple mix. And then this is right here, the pillowcases from earlier. And then I added, okay, in the pre-soaked socks, I put the dye on, let it sit for about 45 minutes, and then I added, look at that, that's awesome. That's the raspberry, burgundy, and here's the chili fuego. And after I put a line of dye along the top, I added some water and soda ash to kind of resaturate it, and it drew out the undertones on the colors. That's gorgeous. And then this one that I'm experimenting for a solid color with low water amounts, I saturate it with dye without pre-soaking. This is the only item I did not pre-soak. And then I added soda ash after about an hour of soaking with in the dye with no activator. So I'm learning that I did not make enough dye. Like you see my levels, I'm like almost out. I did not make enough dye to finish all of the projects that I had soaking. So I will have to finish tomorrow after making more dye. So excited, these two so far. I know things lighten up when you wash them out, but those two right there, I think are going to be great for Papa for Christmas. Some awesome handmade socks. Alrighty, until tomorrow, we can continue this experiment. I'm so glad it's 11/11 today. What an awesome day to begin a new journey. In 11 light, this is Tuesday signing out. For now.